Melissa Blackman. I'm the Director of Development here at the Bald Head Island Conservancy, and welcome to the Barrier Island Study Center. Join us inside. We're going to take a sneak peek and meet two of our scientists in the lab and get a behind-the-scenes look at what they're doing. We're here inside one of the labs at the Bald Head Island Conservancy with Dr. Beth Darrow. Beth is our chief scientist, and she's going to show us around the lab.
Welcome to one of our science labs here at the Conservancy. This is a space that not many people get to visit. It's not open to the public because we have a lot of equipment in here, so welcome, and I'd like to show you around a little bit. In this lab we do a lot of our village-sponsored conservation work, such as water quality monitoring for the creek, but I wanted to focus a little bit on the research that we're starting to get into more, including our intern research projects. Phoenix was working on a marsh project where she was measuring the amount of biomass of marsh grass and how that affects carbon cycling, and she would use our little balance here to measure the amount of grass and scale all that up to the marsh as a whole. Here I just wanted to show you some of our sand samples. So this is a kind of side project that we've been working on with our sea turtle team. So Paul and the sea turtle team have been collecting for us sand from each sea turtle nest that is laid. So you can see this is one of the sand samples, and what we're trying to look at is the effects of beach renourishment on the sea turtle nesting and hatching success. So what we want to do is analyze these samples using some new equipment, and we'll be able to use that equipment for a bunch of other projects as well. That would really help us a lot with increasing our research capabilities and supporting our mission.
The summer season's here and things are picking up. What are some of the things you guys would be doing during the summer?
So this here is all of our wildlife response equipment. So if someone calls our wildlife hotline, we will come in and kind of grab the equipment that we'll need to respond to that injured or distressed animal. And where we have nets to catch them, we have bins to put them in, towels, gloves, and other kits that we may need depending on what the animal is. So over here we have mainly our summertime stuff, where it's our summer spotlight surveys equipment, where we will go out around the island and look for alligators and deer, kind of get the population numbers of those animals. So we have spotlights here and binoculars to so we can see the deer and the alligators better.
Thank you so much, Lauren, for joining us, and Beth earlier. The island is growing. We're getting busier and busier here at the Conservancy, and we always appreciate our supporters to help us with the needs with the new equipment here at the Bald Head Island Conservancy.